Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge all of your Illustrator files into a one file using layers. And this could be helpful if you have a lot of designs maybe that you want to forward on a printing company and you don't want to send a lot of AI files, then merging it in one file would be an easiest way and cleaner way to do it. So as an example, I have a one um, Victor file here, a one design, and we have over 20 designs that we want to send out to a company. So the best practices that you should do is to create different layers and just merge everything, like all of your files in one layer. So, okay, so to do that, you basically need to click this layers or artwork tools, and then you can just zoom it out, control minus or command minus if you're using Mac, and then you can put that on the end, like on the first side. So if you want to duplicate that layer, you can press Control J or Control C rather, and then Control V. Okay, Control V, another Control V, and then Control V. So let's say this one, obviously you can rename this by supports team, and then maybe this one is a phone because we have a phone, and then we have other graphics here, and let's say a beer one. Okay, and we can just drag this part here. Let me just remove that layer artwork. If you want to disable the artboard, click that one. If you enable this one, you'll see this artboard like layer thing. So if you just want to revert back to the selection tools, then just click this one, Control Z, then we'll move it in here. And I'm gonna remove this part there. And Control Kit base requisitor for unit 2. I can go in there, Control V. Let me try that. I don't know why it's not working, but I can drag this really to the file there. Oh, I get it. It's too big. That's why I'm having a hard time to paste it. But that's just how you can pull it there and like that. So basically you can create a lot of like artwork there. Like maybe if you have 1,000 or 10 art boards, then you can create a lot of art boards and just send over one file instead of having 10 files sent to the printing company. And that's it. Hope it helps. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to message me or comment down below. Thank you.